Mendeley is a popular reference management software that helps you organize your research, collaborate with others, and generate citations and bibliographies. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Mendeley for referencing. Step 1. Create a Mendeley account. Go to the Mendeley website, https://www.mendeley.com/right-. Click on Create Account and fill in the required information to sign up. Step 2. Install Mendeley Desktop. After creating your account, download and install the Mendeley Desktop application. Launch the application and log in with your Mendeley account credentials. Step 3. Import references. Add PDFs or manually add references to your Mendeley library by clicking on Add Files or Add Entry manually. You can also import references from online databases like PubMed, Google Scholar, or IEEE Explore by clicking on Add Files, Import References. Step 4. Organize your library. Create folders in Mendeley to organize your references by topic, project, or any other criteria relevant to your research. Drag and drop references into the appropriate folders. Step 5. Cite while you write. Install the Mendeley Cite-O-Matic plugin for your word processor, example, Microsoft Word, LibreOffice. Open your document and place the cursor where you want to insert a citation. Click on the Insert Citation button in the toolbar or use the keyboard shortcut, usually Ctrl+Alt+M or CMD+Alt+M. Search for the reference you want to cite, select it, and click OK to insert the citation. Step 6. Generate bibliography. At the end of your document or wherever you need a bibliography, place the cursor there. Click on the Insert Bibliography button in the toolbar or use the keyboard shortcut, usually Ctrl+Alt+B or CMD+Alt+B. Mendeley will automatically generate a bibliography based on the citations you've inserted in your document. Step 7. Edit citation style. If you need to change the citation style, go to the References tab in Mendeley Desktop. Click on Citation Style and choose from the available citation styles or click More Styles to search and download additional styles. Step 8. Collaborate and share. Collaborate with colleagues by creating shared folders in Mendeley. Invite others to join your shared folders and collaborate on adding and organizing references. Step 9. Sync your library. Mendeley syncs your library across devices if you have the Mendeley app installed on multiple devices. Make sure to sync your library regularly to keep your references up to date. Step 10. Explore additional features. Explore other features of Mendeley, such as annotation tools, full-text search, and advanced organization options. Check out Mendeley's online resources and tutorials for more tips and tricks. That's a basic guide on how to use Mendeley for referencing. Let me know if you need more specific instructions on any of these steps.